Hi guys, we're just working and we're trying to make a shipment to Amazon FBA. This is behind the scene how we're packing and doing everything to send our stuffs to Amazon FBA by ourselves. And yeah, you're gonna see it. We're just staying up overnight and yeah. So in this video, we're going to talk about what a small and light item is and how much it will cost you to do the preparation by yourself instead of paying Amazon. Stay with us in this video and see exactly what we do, and I'm going to give you some tips while we're wrapping and preparing all that stuff to send it to Amazon. Alright, so usually there are some items that you can send them as a small and light items. For those items, you've got to send at least over 25 items of each ASIN. And we usually put them into these bags as I showed you earlier on, and then you put the barcodes on there so that it would be easier for them to scan the barcodes. Also about these bags, we got them for free from Royal Mail. It depends. Sometimes you've got to pay for them, but we just got these for free. And then if you want to send items to Amazon by yourself, you've got to stay up quite late, just like us. Yeah. But if you think that it's going to be more profitable for the items that you're selling, well, it depends on what items you're exactly selling. If you think that it's going to be more profitable if you just pay Amazon to do the packing and everything for you, then just do it. But if not, you can just do it like us. We don't pay anything for these packages. We just get them from Royal Mail because we've got a business account from Royal Mail and it's quite good for us. So we can just use this as a packaging for our stuff. And the other thing that you need is like bubble wraps. We get these bubble wrap rolls. I'm going to put the prices in the caption below. You can just check it out. Also sellotape. So you need sellotape as well. But altogether, I don't really think that it's going to be so expensive to do it by yourself. So for example, you can see this one item. I am putting it in a plastic bag. No, not a plastic bag. Putting it in what?
Yeah, sealer bag, plastic bag.
Sealer bag. And you need to remove the tape. Oh, come on. Like this. And then seal it like this. And then imagine we're going to have quite a lot of these to pack. We're not paying Amazon to do these for us. Now in here, when you are going to print the labels. You check in the size of the labels and then print in all the items on a label. We're still wrapping and this is sticking the labels on. Also, if you're sending an item to Amazon, you've got to put it on the actual barcode of the product so that they're going to scan this barcode. Now we're starting to box up all items and I am going to put everything in here. So everything I put in the box one, I write it over here so that I make sure exactly what I put in box one. Alright guys, as you can see, we just put everything in only 2 boxes.